Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young and ambitious warrior named Koji. He was known for his exceptional fighting skills and had a burning desire to defeat his arch-enemy, Ryu. Koji believed that destroying Ryu was the only way to prove his superiority and gain the respect of his fellow villagers. Little did he know that there was a powerful Zen master named Sensei who resided in the mountains nearby. One day, Koji set out on a journey to find Sensei and seek his guidance on how to destroy Ryu. After days of trekking through forests and climbing steep hills, Koji finally reached Sensei's humble abode. "Sensei, I have come seeking your wisdom," Koji said, bowing respectfully. "I wish to know the 4 ways to destroy my enemy, Ryu." Sensei looked at Koji with a compassionate smile. "My dear young warrior, destroying your enemy is not the path to true victory. True victory lies in understanding and transcending your own limitations. However, I will share with you 4 powerful lessons that will help you overcome your struggles." Intrigued, Koji eagerly listened as Sensei began to share his wisdom. Lesson 1. Embrace compassion. Instead of seeking destruction, cultivate compassion in your heart, Sensei said. Understand that your enemy is also a human being with his own struggles and pain. By showing compassion, you can sow the seeds of understanding and reconciliation. Lesson 2. Cultivate inner strength. True strength lies not in physical prowess, but in inner resilience and discipline, Sensei continued. Train your mind and body, not to defeat others, but to overcome your own weaknesses. Only by mastering yourself can you truly rise above your challenges. Lesson 3. Seek unity, not division. Rather than creating enemies, seek to build bridges and foster unity, Sensei advised. By bringing people together, you can create a powerful support system that will help you overcome any obstacle. Remember, strength in numbers is far more potent than strength alone. Lesson 4. Embrace forgiveness. Forgiveness is the ultimate act of liberation, Sensei concluded. Release yourself from the burden of hatred and resentment. By forgiving your enemy, you free your mind from negativity and open the door to personal growth and enlightenment. Koji listened intently to Sensei's words, his heart slowly filling with newfound understanding. He realized that his quest to destroy Ryu was misguided, and that true victory lay in these powerful lessons. With a deep bow, Koji thanked Sensei for his guidance and left the mountains, forever changed. He returned to the village with a different purpose, one of compassion, unity, inner strength, and forgiveness. Years passed, and Koji became a revered figure in the village, not for his martial skills or his conquests, but for his wisdom and ability to bring people together. The village prospered under his leadership, and the rivalry between Koji and Ryu dissolved, replaced by mutual respect and understanding. And so, the story of Koji serves as a reminder that true victory is not found in destroying one's enemies, but in transforming oneself and spreading love and harmony to all.